This is a 1925 Ford Model TT truck, which is being used as a wrecker. Very interesting. This is, of course, the radiator cap, which also indicates the temperature of the coolant. Notice the width of the tires and the spoke wheels. Unreal. And there's the searchlight in front. Give you a little better view, and notice where the battery is hanging out, down here by the step. It's like a canvas top. And there's the famous three-pedal system that the Ford Model Ts also had. And we don't have hydraulic brakes, we have mechanical brakes. Notice the very small window in the back, and the warning light at the top there. And this is the business end of this wrecker. It has everything needed to elevate a car and move them down the roadway. Notice the cans of gas in the back, and of course the horseless carriage license plate and the stoplight, which back in the day oftentimes spelled out stop besides the light inside. And Ford was good at adapting their vehicles to suit most any need. And again, the braking system uses those rods for mechanical brakes. The upholstery is definitely been reupholstered. That looks in good shape. So, a work truck. And I think in the back you probably noticed that big light too that gave good visibility for doing the job in the back, raising the car, and the crank there in the front.